Okay, so I will break it down for you in Samba and your choreography. Which steps we call slow, which steps we call quick, which step we call which means super slow. So numbers is a slow. If I say and is a medium speed, so steps are smaller and shorter. If I say super, super fast step. Okay, so we start 5, 6, 7, 8. So I is super, super fast, 8 is slower. And now we go 1, slow step, so bigger step. 2, now we have like step. 3 and 4, so go quick, quick, slow. Now we have 5 and 6 and 7, it means quick, 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 slow at the end. 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. So cruzado walk. Now we have go slow. So spend longer time here. Now super fast change. Slow, 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 8. Now we have 1, 2. You have twist, twist. 3, twist on the straight leg. Yeah, yeah. Yes. 3, 4. Go 1, 2, go 3, 4. Stay there. Now you have everything quick. 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. 1 and 2 and 3, sit 4. Now all of this slow. 5, 6, 7, 8. Now corta jaca here. Open your hip close. Let's face for the camera like this. You're gonna open your hip close. Everything quick, 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 quick. So equal. Open hip, then close. Quick. Quick, 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 quick. Quick, 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 and slow. So you have to twist like this slow. Now you have timing. Slow, slow. 1, 2. Go. 1, 2. 3, 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. Now 90-degree twist. Timing. Slow, slow, quick, quick, slow. So go slow, slow now. Speed up. Quick, 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 slow. And again, slow, slow, quick, quick, slow. Now from here you have a Botafogo timing 1, 2. So it means slow, slow. 1 and now super fast, 2. 3 fast, 4. 5, 6, slow, slow. Now chicken walks slow, slow, quick, quick, slow. So first do a little bit bigger, then super fast and smaller, and go slow, slow, not fast, quick, quick, slow, 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 quick, quick, slow. That's the samba.